Hello and welcome back friends. Today I am here with a cute tutorial easy to follow on how to paint this landscape in Photoshop. So I'm right now in my Photoshop and you can see here are these color codes, the color palettes with all the color codes that they are all about. You can copy and use the same colors to follow with me in this simple tutorial. So let's begin. I'm making a new layer and making a rectangle selection tool, a rectangle selection like this, and filling it up with the color fill bucket tool. So with any of the flat color that you choose, now go to brush tool, select soft round brush, select the second color from the color palette there, and again switch to the brush tool shortcut B. Hold Ctrl and click on the layer thumbnail to make that layer selection active, and rest setting are fine. So just make a brush stroke like this with the color. Now choose the next color, again repeat the process and paint it horizontally. This way I am making a nice gradient, blended gradient kind of texture. Just use the eyedropper to select the next color and paint it with the brush tool. We are just in the making the last color for the below part, and here it is. Now it's time to blend it up. So simply use eyedropper tool and select a color in between of those two shades, like here. I selected. Now use the brush tool and paint it. You can see how nicely it is getting a texture of blending. Now simply repeat that same procedure over here and again paint over with the color in the middle. It is kind of a trial and error. You can just find a way out, and when you are happy with it, you can switch to the next part. So again for the last one, for the above, let's use a medium pink kind of color here. I'm quite happy with the results that I'm looking right now. You can see I have made the selection active so that everything that I paint over here just do not go beyond that selected area. So it's work like a clipping mask without any clipping mask to be there. So here it is. I am quite happy with how the things are taking turn. If you are enjoying this tutorial right now, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and the bell icon so that whenever I upload any future videos, any interesting tutorials on digital painting lessons, you will get notified automatically. So now it's time to make a sun. For that I'm having this color here, pick it and use the soft round brush only, but in a new layer. Just 2 to 3 times dab over there. Now use the white color, dab again over there, and this will make things look brighter and then blur. So it will give a nice effect. You can just place and adjust. That's why I have made it in a new layer. You can simply adjust the placement of the sun over there. Now in that same layer, I'm gonna use this darker black color, but hard round pressure size brush. I'm using the Wacom Pen Tablet. You can use any pen tablet and follow this tutorial with me. It will be simple to use, and my tablet is very easy and beginner friendly. So let's just now work on the trees. I want to have some trees effect from sideways. For that I'm using the hard round pressure size brush. Nearly I'm having a 30 size brush, and again you can see that I'm having that selected area active till now, so that whatever I paint inside will not go beyond that selected area, whether I'm in that particular layer or in any other different layer. So making a stroke path, you can Ctrl Z anytime if you are not happy with the result, the effect that you are making. Always keep in mind that you should be very confident while making those strokes. Whether at random it should be going anywhere, but you should be confident that lines should reflect it. Like you can see here are some crisscross, anything is gonna happening, but my main focus is to achieve that organic shape of a tree shadow. So by making the same way stroke lines, I'm making one coconut leaf, coconut branch kind of thing. Or you can say it is a palm branch, whatever. The main thing is it is looking organic right now. It's not constraining any shape, any particular shape. It's just up to you. And you can simply just duplicate this layer, make a selection. For deleting the earlier selection, hit Ctrl D, make a selection of this particular leaf, Ctrl J to duplicate it, go to edit, transform, flip horizontal. So just make a exact same duplicate copy on a different layer. And what if you want to paint on your own and want to paint more leaves, more branches like that? You can simply repeat that same process of making that area selection active and keep on painting different leaves according to your different choice. And always make sure when you are painting the strokes, your pressure do matters. Make a lower size brush, use that lower size brush and just paint accordingly. I hope you learned something new today with me. And if yes, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below, like this video, share it with your friends, and whoever you think might be needing this right now, just share it with them and subscribe to my channel if you haven't till now.